Alright, so today we're making bruschetta, which goes well with our Italian theme of food. It is also our entree meal today. Alright, so first we want to hop over here and you want to get your little oniarita. I don't know how to say that in Italian. Alright, now you want to get your big old knife here. Make sure that's not close to your face. Away. Right. Now, first you want to cut it down the sides, but not all the way. But you want to do it deep. Now you just want to do that all the way. Make sure it's not falling off, so don't go all the way to the other side. Alright. Yeah, I'm not the best at evening things, even though I'm an artist. Alright, boom. We got some of these juicy borders. Alright, now we want to cut them on the other sideways. So it makes these small little pieces, rectangular or diamond shape. You know, I'm just going to use this spoon. Yeah, because I cannot do that. I'm making a mess. You know, what the heck? I wash my hands. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. My eyes. And you get some little tomatoes, but if you're weird, you call them tomatoes. Alright, so we just had some onion, which was our vegetable. Now we're going to get some fruit, so small pallets. Alright, now I want to get a couple of these. What you want to do, you want to cut them sideways. And then it's going to squirt out some juices. Yeah, good juices. And then you want to cut them sideways again. Squirt out some more juices. See that? Oh yeah, that's good. Spoony spoon. And you want to go faster and lightning McQueen. Yeah. Make sure they're real juicy. Then you can smack them. Juicy. Alright. Now, once we've got that, we want to start up the stove. We've already started up. You know what it is. And I think it is this one. This one. Alright, now it is on fire. Then you're going to get your other spoony boy that we totally told you to set up. You're going to get some good butter. Don't eat it, you'll get sick. Even though I eat it anyway. Spread it around. Good bread, white panna di casa bread, and you want to get actually 2 of them because yeah. Now you only want to cook them on one side. That way they are nice and cooked on one side. With the tongs this time, looking pretty crispy. Let's check the second boy. Looking pretty crispy as well. Should I take them out? I reckon I should. Alright. Now, What's my plate? I'm going to. Yeah. Now. Nice and juicy. Oh, look at that crisp. Look at that crisp. Alright, now we gotta turn this boy off. Skirt, skirt. Alright, now we're gonna bring it. Now, we got some pesto. It's made with basil and rocket. Rocket. Is that it? Yeah, rocket. Yeah. Now, this bread is made from grain, so it's part of the grain, which is also balanced with the other things now. This is just a bit of a condiment. Just call it some on there. Alright, now we're gonna spread it across evenly. And as Bob Ross once said, just let it happen. Now get some more. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. Oh yeah. Delicious. Now I'm just gonna put this in my sink. Alright. Now that I'm back from vacay, I will put on some of our earlier chopped onion and tomato, aka the juicy boys. Now, I'm gonna get a good bunch. Good bunch. Yeah. Put some more tomato. Well, make sure you have that tomato so it's more sweet. Even though it's Italian. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Now I want to put some over here. Yeah, I'm going to spread that a bit. Get some onion and get some more tomato. Make sure you have a decent amount of butter. Alright. I reckon that looks pretty good. Now you just want to tidy it up if you're cooking for a customer. Yeah, now you want to get some glaze, I think. Oh wait, no, no. We want some of this. It's feta. It is a type of Italian cheese, I believe. I think, I'm not sure. And this is a dairy product because it's cheese. Yeah. Alright, so now you just want to grab a piece with your fingers and they crumble up pretty easily, so you just want to spread that across. Make sure you wash your hands before this, like sandwich rolls. Now you want to grab some more and you want to put it over here. Why is one of my audience members laughing? I don't know. It's nothing. Delicious. Now you should have that. Alright, now you want to tidy this up as well. And quickly wash your hands before touching anything else so they do not get messy. I just got water on my. Now you want to dry your hands with some more paper towel. You will need paper towel. It is very important to have paper towel. If you don't, that is very sad. Alright, now we're going to use some glaze. And it's with both sour vinegar, which is pretty cool. Alright, now this is kind of vinegary, but it also brings a sour taste to it as well, which gives a good combination. Now you just want a little drizzle on each one. And boom, we have made it. Now I will try a bite of this. I'll tell you how it went. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That is really good. And if you want more tips, follow Sandwich Ross. My audience never just come up. Damn it.